Simeon, show off your legs, buddy. Here, Simeon. Come on, let's get started. Are your legs strong? Come on. I know you're looking at stuff. Okay, let me run ahead of you. Oh, there, you're running. You're going quickly. You look strong in the front to me, but how do I know? Keep going, Simeon. I want to see you from the side. There you go, buddy. Watch out for the little road. Okay, Simeon, go ahead. Are you strong in the front or not? Now you're going pretty fast. Look at you. I think you're just lazy sometimes. Okay, I'm going to run in front of you. Hold on. Okay. There you go. Good boy, Simeon. Come here, buddy. Let's show how you walk that funny walk in the front. Come on. Nope, wrong way, Simeon. That's not your driveway. Come here. Chasing birds. Okay, one more time. Okay, good boy. How you doing with those back legs? The stirrups are sort of working, right? Okay, that's it, Mr. Simeon. You all done? Okay, good boy.